Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how those slick AI chatbots work behind the scenes? Well, there's some exciting news buzzing around that you won't want to miss. Recently, over on r/technology, a post exploded with interest, revealing how a new approach to language models is set to revolutionize AI conversations. Instead of traditional training methods, this technique uses real-time feedback from users to enhance its learning. Think of it as having a mentor who guides the AI based on actual conversations. So, why should you care? This means chatbots and virtual assistants will become way more responsive and contextual, making your interactions feel more natural and personalized. Imagine asking your virtual assistant for a recommendation and getting an answer that feels like a real conversation instead of a robotic response. A couple of key takeaways from this development. First, always be patient with AI. It's learning just like we do. Second, if you're a developer, diving into real-time data can greatly improve your projects, making them more user-centric. As AI continues to evolve, we're going to see smarter technology that better understands us. It's an exciting time for innovation, and we're here for it. This is today's tech update for July 27th, 2025.